Namaste friends. I was planning to make video on yin yoga. So I thought before making a video on yin yoga, I should make a small video about yin yoga so that people who are going to practice yin yoga, they would know exactly what they are doing and how it will work on their body. So the question is, what is yin yoga? There is no concrete definition of yin yoga because only last 40 years people have been practicing this, but because they were getting good results by doing this, so they keep on doing it. I also have not been practicing it last years. Only last year in October I got to know about this, and then I have practiced it for few months, and I actually found good result, and I feel it gives more flexibility. It makes you more relaxed. Of course, other yogas as well, it makes you relax, it gives you flexibility, but because in yin yoga we hold postures for 90 seconds to 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes. So what happens when we be in some pose for more than 90 seconds? The gravitational force start working towards our body. So the gravitational force pulls our body down, and mostly in yin yoga we do forward bending, and the postures are mostly sitting postures or lying postures. If there is some standing postures like dangling, in that too we do forward bending and release ourselves like completely loose body. So what happens if we will not pull ourselves back? The gravitational force, the earth will pull you down, and it cannot pull your bones down. The bone would be straight, but the flesh and the other body will go down. So it gives flexibility as well. And because yin yoga, it works on fascia, it works on tissues, it works on bones. So what happens? What is fascia? Fascia is connective tissues. It gives frame to internal organs so that internal organs will stay at their places. It has nerves, so it gives sensitivity. So it is equally sensitive like skin. So fascia has sensitivity, it feels pain like skin feel. So when we work towards gravitational force, we work for our flexibility, and our body produces hyaluronic acid. Maybe I'll pronounce incorrectly, but it's an acid which gives moisture to the skin, to the tissues, to our eyes. So it makes our body moisture. And of course, everyone knows if there is no moisture in the skin, the elasticity will go. For example, if my hair would be complete dry, no moisture, and I, fold this hair, it will break. But because it has moisture, so I can, mold it anywhere, it will not break. So fascia, fascia gives flexibility to the body, and yin yoga works on fascia. Yin yoga helps to produce or generate hyaluronic acid which gives moisture to the skin. One more important thing, yin yoga, it releases your whole emotions from your body. We live in a civil society, we are cultured, so we do not want intentionally hurt people. I'll give you example. When we go to office and our bosses, sometimes they are in tension, so they may say sometimes bad things and you will get hurt, but because you do not want to hurt them and he is your senior or she is your senior, you will not say anything that time, and you will feel bad. That emotion, you will hold it for longer period of time, or sometimes it would remain in your body. So what happens the day your boss, he is bad to you. You will hold the emotion. The next day you will go to office. You will have grudges. You will have a different posture, different body language for your boss, because that emotion is still there in your body and mind. Fascia helps to release those emotions. Fascia helps to correct your postures. When we get hurt, when we have complexes, our body posture changes. If you see a person who has less confidence or have some complexes, inferiority, that person would slowly go down and just be introvert, squeeze themselves, and their body postures, it will be incorrect. Fascia, yin yoga, what it does, it slowly corrects your posture. So it is good for flexibility, it is good for releasing your emotions, it is good to correcting your postures. It gives hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin moisture, which makes your bone more flexible, which makes your tissues more flexible, and you will not have dryness in the eye, because it gives moisture to your eyes as well. So it's really helpful. I told you this because I want, when you practice yin yoga, at least some of the things you'll keep in your mind, and when you do it, you'll remember those things. Because when we do yin yoga, we focus on our breath, and the person who's guiding you, that person would give you guideline how you have to do, what you have to do, how you have to feel. You have to let go all your emotions, you have to surrender your body to the ground. So you will keep these things in your mind. Thank you so much. Namaste. Have a very good day.